Okay, so this is a 52-inch or 60-inch or 54-inch. I don't know. I believe this is 52 inches. Unknown ceiling fan because I do not know the brand name of this fan. It's kind of nice looking fan. This is installed in the master bedroom of this house. See the bathroom right there. So this is the master bedroom. Okay, so let's start. Just the light. If you're wondering why the top light is on, that's because this is in those top and bottom light fixtures, just like the fan in my family room. When you pull the chain once, the top light comes on, and then the bottom light comes on, and then both comes on. Here's those on. Here's both on. Here's low. So I don't know the brand name of this fan yet. I believe this is I don't know yet, but this fan. Of course, lights. So this is the master bedroom. And this is going to be the last fan in this house, actually. Show medium. Here's medium. I believe this is in copperstone finish or it's in bronze. I don't know because I can tell because this has multiple light kit fixtures. These bulbs are incandescents, 60 watts. Here's high. Oops. Wait a minute. Wrong chain. I just pulled the wrong chain by accident, but that's okay. Here's high. It was very fast. Should both setting on. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.